Hello, I am Natalie Bailey with the Parenting Education Programs, and I just want to welcome you to Parenting 101. Today, we are going to discuss appropriate ways to discipline your children. I got whoopings, and I turned out just fine. If one more person tells me that I can't hit Deshaun, there's going to be a problem. He needs to feel the sting of Dr. Leather because that boy is so hard-headed. What's wrong with whooping my child? Jackie, age 27. Well, Jackie, the purpose of discipline is to teach, not to harm. So I would ask you, when you are hitting Deshaun, what is the lesson that you are trying to teach him? Are you trying to teach him right from wrong? Are you trying to teach him to follow directions? Or is your hope to inflict pain? I'm going to guess that it's not to inflict pain, that you really want him to learn a lesson, that you want him to stop doing a behavior that's undesirable. I would strongly encourage you to try using one of the tools that you have in your toolbox, such as using if then. With if then, you give Deshaun a choice, or you give him an option to either do this or to do that. So you can either do A and then B will happen, or you can do A and then another B will happen. And you would end it with asking him, what's your choice? Hopefully, Deshaun picks the more desirable option. And I'll give you an example. Deshaun, if you continue jumping on your bed, then you will lose electronic privileges for tonight. What's your choice? Or you can give him a couple of options. Deshaun, would you like to run outside and play? Or would you like to spend more time on your computer? What's your choice? You could frame it as a if-then question or a when-then. And the example for when-then is, Deshaun, when you stop jumping on your bed, then we can go outside and play. Using if-then or when-then will put the power back in Deshaun's hands. Deshaun will decide whether he wants to choose A or he wants to choose B. But at the end of the day, hitting him or giving him a whooping probably is not going to teach the lesson that you would like for him to learn. I hope this helps. Thank you. I truly hope the last video that you viewed on appropriate discipline was helpful. If you would like more information about the parenting education programs, please visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov and search parenting education. Thank you.